Welcome to the Pharmalinkage platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the straightforward process of downloading invoices and checking your subscriptions. Step 1. Accessing the login page. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.pharmalinkage.com and click on Login button. It will land you on login screen. Step 2. Access your account. Once logged in, click on Profile Picture on top right corner. It will open a drop-down where you can see My Order menu. This is where you can manage your account-related activities. Step 3. Subscriptions. When you open a My Order, it will show a list view with all purchased subscriptions list. Step 4. Download invoices. To download an invoice, click on the corresponding subscription. Look for an option like Invoice Download icon. Click Invoice Download icon to save a copy of the invoice to your device. Thank you for using our platform for your subscription management and invoicing needs. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Drop us an email on wecare@pharmalinkage.com.